see here, this is sample, okay, water sample. So we are going to examine the dissolved oxygen concentration in the given water sample, okay. So first, as per the procedure, what we do, this is manganese sulphate, okay. Take 2 ml of manganese sulphate. Okay, which is 2 ml, top, sorry. Okay, 2 ml, which is 2 ml, go to the depth, okay. We are estimating exact dissolved oxygen, okay. Even that bubble should not fall. Then close this. 2 ml of manganese sulphate we have taken. Then what we do, 2 ml of this. 2 ml, okay. So you see how color changes. We need to improve performance. Any other lead we have? So if dissolved oxygen is more, you will get we have any lead to this while you just take just because we want to just make it up. This is invert up and down. How you see the precipitate? Down. So too much of dissolved oxygen will get very good precipitate. Invert up and down, so that the reagents will mix properly. What happens during this time? You will get MnO, that is manganese 3 hydroxide with the sulfur. So manganese 3 hydroxide will scavenge more dissolved oxygen. Whatever dissolved oxygen, it gets combined with the manganese 3 hydroxide. Okay. You see how? Very good now. It will sediment now. It will go slowly, it will go on sediment. Now what? Because this precipitate means you will not get the result accurately. So we need to add concentrated sulfuric acid so that the reagent solution will become transparent. Now we will add sulfuric acid. 2 ml of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid will spill. Okay. So 2 ml of sulfuric acid. I am just adding sulfuric acid, okay. So you please keep you please move away. Okay. See how it goes. See here. We'll get back to the place. Now it is clear. Now we take 50 ml. 50. Be careful here. Okay, 50 ml you take it. Okay, we have taken 50 ml. Then what you do? Add starch. Add. Okay. Okay. Iodine plus starch gives like this color. Okay. Now you titrate. Drop by drop you add. Otherwise immediately. Like this, hold this finger. Once you open this, your eyes, you must observe color changes. Okay. So don't look here. You have to find out color changes. Okay. See here, completely changed. Only one drop. Completely changed. Okay. Now you check up how much. 1.2. Okay. 1.2 you can take down. Okay. Okay, no issue. 1.1. This